Hey man, it's me. You probably can't see me. I've got the lights out because I don't want anybody to see what's in the treasure, but here it is. And if you shake it, there's a lot of stuff in there, so I'm going to try to do this with the camera. There's like something underneath here. Oh man. Oh man. Oh no, there it is. Gaige, can you see all that? Oh man, it's still coming. I can't get the light. I don't want to make too much noise. But man, it's still coming. What? Oh, I just want to scream, but I can't. People are going to hear me. They're going to want to steal the treasure. Something else in here. Wait, can you see? Can you see all of that? Dude, I just want to scream. That's real pirate treasure. Look at those marks. And that's gold. Wait, why is there gold? Spanish coins? Oh man, let's see what else. This is huge. What is that? What is all that? Get out. Oh man, look at that. The pirate sign. Oh my gosh. Gaige. That's gold. Look at that. That's gold. There's gold in there. I wonder how old this is. This is going to be worth so many Legos. It's still coming. Wait, there's something else in there. I can feel it. There's more. There's coins. I want to scream. What is this? What is this? There's something stuck inside there. Come on, get out. Get out. It feels like something rolled up. There's still treasure inside there, but what is that? Should I open it? I think you'll say yes. It's like some really old tape. It looks like... What does that say? Let's see. You found Blackbeard's treasure. Followed the clues just right. But there's more to be found under the City of Light. Can you believe that? It's treasure and a map. Well, I guess not a map, but like clues. Oh, man. Let's see if I can hold on to this without everybody knowing what's going on. Like, look at this, man. Look at that treasure. There's still some stuff in there. Oh, man. Dude, we did it. We found the treasure. You found the treasure. You followed the clues, and there's more. But where's the City of Light? You got to tell me, and I'll go look for it. But look at this. That is real pirate treasure. That's real. That's so old. I wonder how long it's been there in the cave. Man, we did it. Let me know about that, the City of Light. Great job.